right, we are starting to get ready for sound check. We're figuring out, look at this beautiful room, right? So we're figuring out right now, oh, hi guys. Figuring out intro. We're gonna practice it, probably gonna cut it down, and they're working on that right now. And look at this beautiful room here. Hi guys, welcome, welcome. And in the house, hey. Let's see who else we got. Hey, you guys. Look at this beautiful room, right? So I'm going to go do sound check right now as you guys are coming and joining us. Please do share with your followers. Let them know what's up. Okay. We're Myron, and it's his production company and his team that created this beautiful, what you see here, and the sound. Hello, that's Jaime who does sound. This is Lori White who runs the show. Okay. And I'll be handed the mic very soon, and then we'll go sing up there. Okay, up there. Up there. Okay. Wow, with you.
Wow, with you. Welcome.
Yeah. Yes. Yep. Awesome. Oi, says Carlin.
Yes, please welcome. Yeah.
Okay, good. Hey, Brandpreneur. Hey, Gail.
Money Mastery with a wow. LynnRose is known as the voice of transformation. She's a singer, speaker, and TV radio host and fellow woman entrepreneur. She's sung around the world, opening for Jay Leno, Sheryl Crow, Mariah Carey, and more. Lynn knows the soul of an entrepreneur and is ready to wow with you. Please.
Yay! Okay.
Okay, we'll do that again right before you go up.
Okay.
Do you want to do a sound
Oh, there's
check?
the mic.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. All right, there's the mic. Hi from Ukraine. How are you? From Ohio. Hey, Gail in the house. Hey, Gail.
Okay, Lynn, so will you be just off backstage? You're going to be here? Okay. So, we'll...
Oh, yeah. We're going to... So what we're doing is we're going through the audience on this one.
Yeah.
So we're going to practice doing that.
And then hit it.
Hey, Christy.
Okay, you ready? Say her last part, just the last part.
Lynn knows the soul of an entrepreneur and is ready to wow with you. Please welcome LynnRose.
All right, thank you, everyone. Oh, actually, what would be great, if that's okay, is let me go, thank you, everyone, because I'm clapping. Get on your feet. Come join me. I just said a little bit as I'm walking through before you do the music, and then I'll go hit it.
Start again.
When you say hit
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank
Lynn
you.
knows the soul of an entrepreneur and is ready to wow with you. Please welcome LynnRose.
Thank you, everyone. Right on your feet, Let's kick this off in style. Right? Okay, great. Kick this off in style. We're going to invite you on the stage and around the stage. Please just stay in front of the chair. Come on down and join me. Hey, how are you? Well, come on down. Fill up the stage. Just stay in front of the chair. Blah blah blah. And say whatever needs. And then with the people also, high-fiving and bringing them with me. No. I found that then it gets dispersed and harder to talk them, but we'll keep the energy going, trust me, especially as you see people running up on stage and around the stage.
So you want people up on stage before you even sung?
Right, well, they'll start getting on stage as we're getting started, but I'll at least have time to set the context in front of the chair and what we're doing, that it's going to be up here and around here, and then it works.
Well, I mean, you know better than I have done it a few times. It just seems like a long lag.
I don't think it'll feel that way when we do it because they're going to be clapping, they're going to be on their feet, and I'll keep the energy going through, getting them following up here, and then I'll go hit it, Byron. So,
Are you ready?
All right. Hit it, Byron! Here we go. Hey, hey, come on. Hey, 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 hey. This is so weird doing it like this. Here we go. Hey, hey. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up. Let's do it. Come on, people. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. By the way, it sounds great, the way whatever you did with the sound.
Yeah, I just EQ'd the music in your voice so it would bounce. I brought up.
Okay, awesome. And thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you, Marilee. Thank you, Stephanie. See, isn't it fun seeing the lights the way that hits? Thank you, Christy. So I'm going to take you guys on a tour of how beautiful it is here and what they've set up here. Sounded great on Periscope. Yay, let's get loud. So it was very weird doing sound check holding a phone in my hand. I have to say. It feels very, what's the word? I don't know. But it's so fun sharing with you. Hi, Love for Life. Thanks, so cool. All right, thank you. I'm gonna just go through and show them what's happening back here. Christy, it was really odd holding the phone while singing. There's Byron again. And I'm gonna put my bag here. Where am I gonna sit? How long are you in town? Hold on a second. I'm in Tucson. And so I am here. I think I'm gonna sit here. Yeah, where should I sit? I'm here until Thursday morning. I'm in Phoenix. Oh, how cool. Awesome energy. Oh, thanks, Steven. It is so freaking fun. What can I say, right? We get to do what we love to do. And I'm very, very grateful for that. That's what life should be about. Sometimes we have to work extra hard so that we can do what we love to do. And believe me, it's been a lot of hard work. So let's take a look at, yes, right, Christy? One more time, this room. Beautiful affirmative things with the branding on the side of the stage. This gorgeous, welcoming iMag. Beautiful set, right? Just beautiful. Now we're going to see people that are out here. They're getting ready. Ta-da! Look how beautiful the setting is here. Isn't that great? You can tell they're getting ready for the event. And take you, look at this view coming up here. I love that. Is that not beautiful? Wow. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And look, they come in and register with this. It's so beautiful. They do it right. Yes. It's social media. It's sharing what the event is about. Hi. And then the golden tickets. Ta-da. And Lori. And so, this is what people see as they come to register. Can you put it on landscape mode? Oh, sorry. How's that? Thanks for letting me know. Sorry, I saw that. All right, so I say goodbye, and I will see you guys at another time. I'll keep you posted and bring you in as I can. And okay, oh, sorry. Look, I did it again. I keep forgetting that they have that. So awesome. Thanks for sharing that with me. It was great to share with you guys. Mwah, thank you. And if you aren't following already, please do just swipe to the right or up, click follow, and love to share with you. So much love, you guys. It was a fun way to kick off our Monday together. All right, have a great Monday and get loud.